This syrup literally never cooperates with me and it's mad annoying. Hey Tocas, it's Chloe. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, as usual, all my socials are linked below. Anyways, today I'll be doing a new house tour. I know, you're probably like, girl, you literally just did a house tour. But basically, the Care & Core furniture pack just came out, and so I did update my house, so I'm going to show you guys like the new changes. If you decide to use my house, please give credits. Also, I have been planning on doing this video for a while. Like, if you search back to like a couple days ago, I did say when this pack comes out, I will be doing a new house tour. Okay, so here's the entrance of my house. It didn't change much. Behind the bushes, we have the Rainmaker, which is actually from the movie studio if you're looking for it. This adorable snail mailbox, which is from the apartments, I believe. I totally forgot where this tortoise is from, so if anybody has any sort of clue, please comment down below. We also have this yellow tennis ball, which is kind of random. I just got it from the pet hotel. This thing is from the Crumpet Junkyard. This pet bathtub is adorable and it's from the pet hotel. This green pillow with the flowers on it is from the Huss store. This like panda is from the hot springs. I don't know, it was cute. This thing I kind of put together and I do not remember where I got those things. And these ants are actually from the wildlife. Okay, moving along into my house. This little entrance area has like a little calendar and it also has this bag which actually is free. Honestly, I chose random items to fill up this ladder. Then we have this box in case of emergencies. Inside, of course, we just have all the things in case of an emergency. Then moving along into my laundry room. We do have like a chill spot with like a beanbag and stuff. Then on the shelf we have this like really cool plant, and then we have a lava lamp, and then we have another green plant in like this really cute white vase. Another ladder which comes with this menu from the Hello Kitty pack, and then there's also like this white towel which like comes folded up, I guess. Then we have the laundry area. We have a light that goes on the wall. We have this super cute laundry basket as well. Then we're just going to pretend that the washing machine also works as a dryer, and then it obviously has all the stuff needed to do like the laundry. Moving along to like this entrance area, so we have a beanbag, a table, and then this thing that's full of random stuff. Up here we have a white shelf that has keys and this like picture. This like picture is super cute and I love it here. And then on the top of the shelf we have like this paper that's folded up, a pine cone, and then we have a pink vase and this white vase again. Moving along to the other one, this one's super simple, just a picture and a plant. This brings me into my kitchen, which is definitely a lot. Besides like the usual kitchen furniture, we have these two towels and then this thing to mix your stuff. This spoon picture is from the Huss store, and then this cactus is also really cute, but I don't know where it's from. We have these seasonings, which you can get anywhere, and we have the sugar and the cinnamon jars. Down here on the table, we have this thing filled with random stuff, and then we have the lunch boxes underneath. Then, of course, over here we have this like little table, and it has the garlic breadsticks, and it has the syrup. To fill up the space, there's just some random plants. Then we get to the main dining table. Then it has another one of these things, except it's wood this time, and honestly, I love these things. I feel like it fills up space. Then you have this cart that has bowls, popcorn things, and cups as well, all in it. And the intentional idea of this area was for it to be a snack bar, so we have a bulletin thing on top, and then we have a coffee maker that has like a coffee pot underneath it. We also have a microwave, and then we have these gorgeous flowers, which I do believe I got from the mall. And we have a simple chair here. I don't know why, I just feel like it filled up any necessary space. Okay, so moving on to my bathroom. We have this really pretty, really gorgeous plant, and then we have all sorts of skincare stuff, and we have these rolled up towels, and some more. We have the bathtub and obviously the toilet, and then we have the screen, and then we have the robes. We also have a light that goes on the wall. Then we have these both really aesthetic pictures that honestly I don't remember where we got them from, but honestly they're really cute. And then we have the sink area. It has a sink with a drawer, a plant, and then we have this cupboard full of random bathroom necessities like toothbrushes, towels, plants, and like other stuff. Then we get to master bedroom. We have a very cute white lamp, and then on the other side of the dresser we have these adorable brown books. We have a really modern TV and a light. I think it's really cool that now we finally have a TV that you can insert CDs into. We also have another light that goes on the wall, and then we have this shelf which is filled with a bunch of random stuff like plants, radio, robes. We have a few paintings like the butterfly one and that other one. We have a ladder which has the pajamas that me and Chase wear. Then we have some extra space next to our bed, and we have this tray that goes on our bed, which is adorable. Moving on to the upstairs outside part. This is a huge gardening area, so it has all the stuff you need to garden. It also has a few gardening books just because I thought they were cute. But we have pots, we have soil, we have tools, and this like tray bucket thing, I guess you could call it. I don't know. And then we have two pots which are very aesthetic and they have sprouts going out of them. Some plants next to them, and then another one of those pandas. Let's just pretend that polar bears don't live in like the Arctic and that this is not normal. And then guys, I had to create an outside gym. We have a treadmill, and then we have one of those bike things, and then we have 2 exercise balls and this like thing that you can do tricks on. I kind of forgot what that like bike thing is called, to be honest. Oh, and comment down below what the mat is called because I forgot. We also have a table with the purple plant and a purple water bottle. On the shelf on the top we have a plant, and then we have a speaker so you can listen to music. We have another one of those purple plants, and then we have 3 like exercising mats. I'm pretty sure they're called yoga mats, but anyways. There's this storage thing underneath, and it holds all of the weights and everything to exercise. Moving along to this weird area. I do not know where I got this like weird picture that's hanging. Then there's a crack, and on the shelf we have this like painting, and then we also have a menu. I don't understand why there's menus throughout my house, but there's this adorable crumpet. Don't ask me where I got it, I totally forgot. And again, another menu and a spray can. Kind of contemplating why there's menus everywhere. Anyways, then there's that other area. There's a husk box, and then there's tons of like plants in the picture. On this table with all the different things, we have the purple plant, this spray thing again, and then we also have this plant that's in this thing. Then we have my living room. We have this TV that has the cat thing on it. We have 2 pillows that are actually both from the stable grounds. I'm surprised I actually remember that. We have this adorable coffee table with this thing on it. I don't really like it, but it is what it is, but yeah. Let's move along to the other side. I honestly did not know what to do with it. We have plants everywhere, and then we have the fireplace, another TV of course, and then we have 2 hanging chairs because they're cute. Then we have Ryland's room. On the shelf he has a picture, and then he has 2 basketballs. I don't know why exactly. Anyways, then he has like this desk thing that has his gaming setup, of course. Then he has a laundry basket because honestly it's really cute, so I put them a lot throughout my house. And of course he's not gonna game sitting on the floor, so he has a chair. Moving farther along, we have Milo, which is probably the cutest part of like this whole house, to be honest. We have his bed that has a poster and this cupboard. I usually pretend that these things are blankets, and then he has this real blanket. Moving along to Ren's room. If you've been on my account for a while, you know that Ren's room is usually my favorite room. I don't think I'm going to narrate this room because I've narrated this room a million times and it never really fully changes. Well, the shelf did change, but it still has like the same kind of stuff. I think the changes I put into this room were worth it, and the room looks a lot cuter. The main changes are the shelf and the wallpapers, just so you know, and that frog thing. Also, her toy basket is looking a little empty, so I'm pretty sure some of them deleted automatically. Then we have Piper, which again is super cute and adorable. Also, this bag I always use as a diaper bag, but I get questions on it. It's from the university. This diaper thing is new and I got it from the mall. I have a million of these purple plants in my house. Again, we're just gonna pretend that it's a blanket, but I got it from the stable grounds. And can someone comment down below what this thing is? Also, her changing table is the same with all of her stuff she needs. Then finally, the last room in this house is Oakley's bedroom. She has her fancy white TV, and then she has a dresser which has plants, candles, and all that stuff on it. She has the same painting, and then she has her 2 bean bags. Here's Bella, of course. Over here she has her laundry basket as well, and then she has this table with a letter and some flowers. Again, we're pretending that they're blankets, and then she has her like real blanket. She has her favorite stuffy on this pink stool, and then she has this white heater. Okay, so that was actually a lot to like voice over. But anyway, shout out goes to the person on the screen. Anyways, I hope you guys like my new house because I've wanted to do a new updated house tour using this pack, so I hope you guys enjoy. Please remember to give credits if you do use my house because I did work really hard on this house. Also, go check out my last house tour if you were unable to buy this new pack. Even if you don't have any of the packs, or like you don't have the new pack and you just want to watch my old house tour, that's fine. It's up there. Although I don't think it's really that old because I posted it like a week or 2 ago. Anyways, I love you, you're amazing, you're worth it, you're spectacular, and yeah, bye guys!